Welcome to your virtual tour of 5880 North 202nd Lane right here in Litchfield, Arizona. Let's go on in and take a look. Here's your first bedroom. Check out the hallway bathroom. All right, next door is the next bedroom, number 2. Here is a view of bedroom number 2. All right, directly across is this coat closet and bedroom number 3. Here's a look at bedroom number 3, which is just to the right of the entrance. All right, here is a view of your garage. Fits 2 vehicles. Continuing on to the tour, here is the laundry room. Nice size, comes with washer and dryer already hooked up for you. Here is your kitchen, granite countertops, nice sized island, stainless steel appliances. Here's a look into the pantry. Here's another view. Here's the living room. Here's the dining area. And this is a split floor plan, so this is where the primary bedroom is. The rooms do come with gray, brand new carpet. Here's another view of the primary bedroom, and let's check out this bathroom. Nice vanity, nice size mirror. There is the shower. Private toilet area. All right, let's check out this walk-in closet. Check this other view out. Kind of gives you a good idea of how large this walk-in closet is. All right, let's go check the backyard out. This concludes our virtual tour of 5880 North 202nd Lane. If you would like to view more details, schedule a tour, or even complete an application, please visit our website, rpmphoenixvalley.com.